Hi, my name is Preston. I graduated recording connections with a certificate in Logic Pro music production and audio engineering. And it was a really, really fun experience going to the Lava Room recording studio in Beechwood, Ohio. And, my mentor and I, we focused more on hands-on and kind of learning the basics of what an audio engineer and what a music producer will be doing with the big shots. And, I got a lot of hands-on experience learning from bigger producers and audio engineers who helped me learn, what I have to expect. It was a lot of hands-on experience that I really enjoyed, as along with making my own music along the way. He helped me make a SoundCloud, and he helped me put my music out there, which I have been creating ever since 2016 or so. And I finally now have an outlet to put my music out there, and it's fun. I had a lot of fun mixing around the audio and using my skills that I learned in the program to help make that push to make a good product for my client. So I appreciate you giving me this opportunity, and I really enjoyed it. Thank you.